internet people! Did you guys like the video or what? If you did, please like it down below. And while you're at it, check out all the part lists for this computer in the description. I want to talk a little bit on the second half of the video about this computer build. You know, some of my thought process behind it. So I have a computer build service. You know, my client approached me and she's a graphics designer. And she's a professional and, you know, I know she needed a really good computer. And it's part of my integrity to try and build the best things that I can. So she gave me a budget of $800. I had to do a lot of research. And because I live like 5 minutes from a micro center, they were offering this insane deal on the AMD 2700X for like $50 off any online retailer. So when I saw that, I was just like, oh, I don't even have to think about it. It's a beast. And in all honesty, Intel, you guys gotta step your game up, homie. So anyway, I went with that CPU, and then I also knew that I wanted to give her some really fast memory, storage memory. So I went with NVMe M.2 SSD 256 Samsung Evo Pro, like, you know what I'm saying. Then with the graphics card, this wasn't going to be too much gaming, so I went with an NVIDIA 1050. I knew that my client was going to use Adobe products, and I know that NVIDIA and Adobe, you know, they really like each other. So it just made sense for me to go with that, and it gets the job done. Like, it's more than enough for this build. I also went with 16 gigs of DDR4 RAM. It's more than enough for anything that she's gonna do, unless she's trying to do very heavy video editing, which she's really not, so she's good. Yeah, I really like building this computer. It's a lot of fun, and I'm very excited for all the things that are happening. There's so many opportunities coming my way, and I just want to keep doing this. You know, it's gonna be great looking back a year from now on all this content, saying like, damn, son, I did all that, that's my work. Like, what? I'm excited for that, you know, to have something that I can say, I did that, I built that, you know, like, I think I take a lot of pride in that. I'll take a lot of pride in these things, you know what I'm saying? So check me out on social media. I'll put it in the description of this video, but you can also find all those links on my website. So check me out, guys. Hit me up. I mean, oh, ah.